we got any play action going on over here. He's a jumping fool. He's getting big. Oh look, it's the black and white team. Go Raiders, I guess, because they're at Oakland. Go Raiders, black and white team. Oh, that's a 49er. Oh, I guess this would be a 49er too. She's got some red in her. Red and gold. They're so cute. It's like, come on, you can do it. There we go. She can't quite make it up there. She wants to, so she's learned. She's got to go that way first. King of the hill. Oh. King of the hill. Hey Molly, you come to see what they're doing? They're playing King of the Hill, like little goats are supposed to do. And you guys are being protective parents. Oh, the little guy just pushed her off. Boing. Push. It's like, I'm king of the bag. You can't be on my bag. I'm gonna get on your bag. You can't be on my leg. They're so cute. Sam and Lulu do the exact same thing. Playing their little head-butting games. Might be time for some lava. Well, lava's a little harder to navigate because it's got all sorts of bumps and stuff. Bag's a lot easier. Well, sometimes. What's he doing over there? There's some chickens. Sophie and Lily. And oh, she's decided she's going to lay down on the bag. And there's Nolly with her big udder. Needs to be milked out a little bit tonight. There we go. Jump, little girl, jump, jump, jump. She's like, I got an itch. Jump. I want to see you jump. They're really cute when they jump. Oh, she's not going to jump. She's going to fall. Okay, let's cut this one off now.